11. Find the image of the point 2 -3 another reflex that transformation. So the x is 2, the y is -3. The 2 is 2. -3 minus 2 is -5. So 2 -5 option C. A square of area 144 cm squared has the same perimeter as an equilateral triangle. Find the length of a side of the triangle. So the area is 144. So L squared is 144. If we square root that, the length is 12, the perimeter is 4L, and that's 48. An equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides. So if one side is x plus x plus x, that's 3x. Divide through by 3. 3 into 4, 1. Remember 1, 18. 3 into 18, 6. So the side of the equilateral triangle is 16 centimeters. 13. Group like them. So next 2x plus 4x. Then 15 minus 7, 2x, 8. Divide through by 2. X is greater than 4. Option D. Number 14. Entry has 20 oranges. 20% are rotten. How many of them are not rotten? So 80% are not rotten. And the 100% is 20. Cross multiply. 80 times 20 is 100y. Divide through by y 100. Trailing zeros goes of 8 to is 16. Option D. 15. A class of 42 learners share some oranges and each receive 11. 20 learners share the same number of oranges equally. How many will each get? So the total oranges is 42 times 11 because each got 11. And then 22 of them are sharing that. So we divide that by 22. 11 here, 1, 11 here, 2, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 21. So each will get 21 oranges. Option B. Make y the subject of the relation. So multiply both sides by 3. 3 goes off at one side, and then we have 3p here. So I bring like 4p here to be 4p. R minus 3p. Divide through by 4. And that's 1/4 r minus 3p. Option B. Number 17. A number is chosen at random from the set P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's the problem that the number is greater than 3? Which of them is more than 3? 4 up to 10. That is 7 of them. Probability is what you are looking out for out of the total. 7 out of 10. That's C. Number 18. Kofi paid an interest of 30 cedis on a loan he took for 4 years. Rate is 3%. Find the amount borrowed. So that's X or Y times the rate 3 over 100 times the 4 years, and that's the 30 cedis. Multiply by 100. 30 times 100. 3 times 4 is 12. Divide through by 12. So 3 here 4, 3 here 10, 4 here 1, 4 here 25. 10 25 is 250 cedis, and that's option C. Number 19. A cyclist traveled at 20 km per hour, cover the distance in 35 minutes. What time will it take to cover the same distance traveling at 28 km per hour? The 20 km per hour is 35 minutes. 28 km per hour is y. Now you have to ascertain if this is direct or indirect proportion. Now the more your speed, the less the time you cover. So that's indirect proportion. So in that case, you use a linear multiplication of that to solve. So that should be 28 times y, 28y, then 20 times 35, divide through by 28. So if you watch 7 here 4, 7 here 5, 4 here 1, 4 here 5, 5, 25. The next approach is you finding the average speed. 20 kilometers is x, that's the distance. Time should be in hours, so 35 out of 60. So I divide through by 35 out of 60, both sides. So 20 here 1, 20 here 3. So the distance is 35 out of 3 kilometers. Now the distance over the time is the 28 km per each. X goes off. 28x is 35 by 3 times 3. So 3 goes off here times 3. So divide 35 by 3 and 28. 7 here 5, 7 here 4. So 5 out of 12 hours. Change to minutes times 60. 12 here 1, 12 here 5, 5, 5, 25. And that is it. Option C, 20. So the following is not a composite. It's not a composite number. What are composite numbers? Numbers with more than 2 factors. If 2 can divide it, so it's not composite. 3 can divide it, it's composite. 4 can divide it is composite, 2 can divide, 5 can divide. This no number can divide, so it's a prime number. Option B is the correct one.